So working on this 04 second gen CRV, and this rotor was completely rusted on. Trying stuff that I was finding in other YouTube videos, but for this CRV specifically, trying that method, putting the bolt through this hole and using it to pry it out, that doesn't work because these holes don't line up with the rotor. So I couldn't use that, so I just decided to use a scissor jack. And I've got this driver, you can use that or a tire iron. Just put it under here and I just get it right there. So start lifting this up, and then once you have that lifted up, you use a big hammer. I just have this big axe maul wedge thing because I don't have the hammer. But anyway, so just hitting it from behind there, and then you can loosen this, spin this more, jack it back up. Basically it's just putting all that pressure, just starting to get it unstuck. You can hit the back and maybe hit some of these as well. Make sure to protect those with the lug nuts so you don't damage the threads. So basically doing that enough and rotating it and using this scissor jack to push this rotor up and hitting it from behind, that was what worked for me. So I hope that helps.